In this competitive job market, setting yourself apart from the competition is key. That's where your CV comes in. Understanding the fundamentals of CV writing can give you a head start and one step closer to getting hired. But before you go to the finish line, let's talk strategy. Take a moment to define your career goals. What role are you aiming for? What are your long-term aspirations? What are the skills that make you a strong candidate for the job you are applying for? We've got more insights coming your way, so keep watching. Ever heard of a master CV? It's like having a personalised career toolkit. Whether you are a student, graduate, or seasoned professional, a master CV is the training before the big game. This document encompasses your entire career history, which can then be adapted to different job applications. Regularly update your master CV throughout your career to document your growth and achievements. But wait, there's more. Using the same CV for every job won't cut it. Learn the art of tailoring your CV for each application. It's a game changer and employees love it. Check out our insights for the lowdown. Ready for some pro tips on tailoring your CV? Here are 5 easy tips on how to tailor your CV to get hired. Tip 1. Research the job and company. Explore the company's mission, values, and culture, as this knowledge can be invaluable during the application and interview process. Tip 2. Highlight relevant skills and experience. Focus on the skills and experiences that directly relate to the job you're applying for. Tip 3. Quantify your achievements. Use numbers to showcase key achievements or career accomplishments. Tip 4. Include relevant qualifications. List certifications and education that are relevant to the job you are applying for or included in the job description. Tip 5. Demonstrate soft skills. Mention relevant soft skills such as communication, teamwork, leadership, or problem solving in the personal profile. To sum it up, a good CV is your ticket to that dream job. Start by defining your goals, create a master CV, and then tailor it for each application. It's all about showing your genuine interest and suitability for the role. So what's next? Get started on your CV today and watch those career opportunities roll in. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Stay tuned for our next video on the do's and don'ts of CV writing.